When searching YouTube, there's a two-story shed to home that you may or may have not seen called the TB800 Sundance Series. I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of the two-story TB800 16 by 16 foot Tuff Shed. But unlike other walkthroughs, I'm not only going to go over the cost of the shed, but I'm also going to go over the cost for you to build the shed yourself. I'm going to break down the materials needed to build the shed along with the current cost of those materials in today's market. This Tuff Shed can be located at the Home Depot in Longview, Texas. When breaking down the cost of the material that's needed to build this two-story Tuff Shed, what I'm going to do is break it apart by section. So first floor, second floor, roof, exterior. So that means if I say that we're going to need, so many 2x4s, I'm only talking about for that section. I'm also going to look. So what is that? 2x6 on. Yep, 2x6 on. One, two, three, four.
I love this.
8 3/4 inch pressure treated sheathing at 54.58 is $436.64 total. Approximately 91 2x4s at $398 a piece are used on the first floor.
How big that is? That looks like what, 12 inches or 10? See, I know how we can measure it. My foot is 12 inches. So that's like a
12 and a half.
You think that's about a 12 foot or 12 inch?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 12 incher. Which means more money.
But this is like a style like I meant, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
To assemble the rafters, almost 100 mending plates are needed. It may seem like a small cost, but it adds up. Approximately 82 2x4s at $398 each are needed to create the second floor. That includes the studs, plates, handrails, rafters, joists, everything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
When calculating the cost for the roof sheathing, I use radiant barrier because that's what's normally used in these sheds, and it's a similar cost comparison.
One, two, three, four.
Although my calculations say 8, you could probably get away with less because of the opening for the stairs. Approximately 28 sticks of 8 feet trim are needed to do all the external trim on the outside of the shed. That includes around the eaves, windows, doors, and the corners. 24 sheets of LP SmartSide siding are needed to sheathe the entire shed. They range in price from $39 to $59, depending on the quality that you choose. The delivered price of the shed at $13,725 doesn't actually include windows, so I didn't include that in the cost, which is $3,937.72. But I didn't include the cost of the roof because that changes dramatically on what type of roof you want. The cheapest would be approximately about $500 because it's approximately 12 square to roof this, but it could go up to thousands of dollars depending on what type of roofing you choose. The other cost that I didn't calculate into the computation was a door. If you're going to turn this into a tiny house, you'll probably want to put an actual door in here. In that case, you would just add another $200 or more depending on the type of door that you want. Hold on. We're about to show you the raw and unedited video footage of our walkthrough of the TB800 shed to home. But first, I'm going to ask that you please like and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you'll be alerted to our next upload. Here comes the dogs. Want to open the door?
I love this. I love
So-
this layout because the bedroom's up there, you know, tiny little living area. The bathroom could honestly go under the stairs.
How big that is. That looks like what, 12 inches or 10?
Come on down. I like this. I like how but this is like a style I wouldn't mind,
Here.
you know. This is the coldest spot right here.
And so this way, see, that's the wall, but it comes in as a ceiling, so it makes it show you, so it's not as, you know, narrow as a A-frame, but this one's built crappy. I could build it better. So this is about, let's see, I know how we can measure it. My foot is 12 inches. So that's like a,
12 and a half.
you think that's about a 12 foot or 12 inch?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 12 incher, which means more money.
But this is like a style like I meant, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, it's hot and I gotta get out of here. I gotta go get something to eat. You want something?
We could go through a drive-thru and get something to drink.
Okay, well I'm running something, you go and go eat that, okay?
Okay. 2x4s. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, two, three, 4. Yeah, that's a 2x12 on this one. That's one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's one, two, three, four. So what is that? 2x6 on. Yep, 2x6 on. We're in Longview, Texas. Bottom floor joists are made with 2x6s, 2x12s for the ceiling. One, let's see, 4, 8, 16 feet across. I forgot to add the cost of nails.
Yesterday there was some